Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to strip the audio out of this video. Okay, so why would you want to pull the audio out of a video? Well, there's various reasons. You might want to listen to the audio portion of this video that doesn't require you seeing the picture. And that could be like a speech or a sermon or anything else that don't require you looking at the picture. So that means you can listen to the audio of the actual video just like you would if you listen to a podcast. And this can be used for various different reasons. So to pull the audio out of this video, all you would need is an audio editor. Here's a free one that I want to introduce to you. And this one works on the Windows and the Mac. And it's called Ocenaudio. So you can download it, like I said, for both the Mac and the Windows, and it's totally free. And there's other versions that you can download also. They also have it for the Linux and various versions of Windows and the Mac. So after you do the download and the installation process, then you want to open the app. So this is the app right here that I'm looking at right now. Then you want to find your video file that's on your computer and you want to drag it over and just drop it. And as you can see, it's that instant. It automatically just took the audio portion out of that video, so you didn't have to do anything else. From here, you can strip off the parts that you don't need by highlighting, hitting delete, and then you can preview that actual audio. So as you can see, it's playing without the video portion actually showing.
Greetings and welcome to Chard the Tech Guy channel.
So that's how easy it is. And once you finish that, you can just go up to your file and save as, and just save it in an MP3 format. So just find the MP3 format right here on the list, save, and you're good to go. You can name it anything you want to. So once you save that file, then you just locate it on your computer, and then you can transfer it to a flash drive or your cell phone or your tablet or any other device that you need to listen it to. Email it to somebody else. So now I'm going to preview the file to make sure it works in an audio format, and there it is.
Greetings and welcome to Chard the Tech Guy channel.
So that's how easy it is to strip the audio out of a video file and use it for other purposes. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.